Hello! Hi friends! Just here with a quick watercolor tutorial on how to paint these cute little ghosts that I have been obsessed with the last couple days. Super fast, super easy. Here we go. So I painted these on some Strathmore Watercolor Post Cards. I think I just got these at Hobby Lobby. I've also seen them on Amazon, so I can include a link for that. I'm also using Dr. P.H. Martin watercolors, just black and a little bit of true blue. I think maybe a little bit of the violet got mixed in there too. To start, I just get some light gray and make a ghost shape. You all know what a ghost looks like. And then I rinse my brush and soften the lines up a little bit. The biggest thing is to make sure you leave the center or the face of the ghost white, and then do darker edges. That's going to make it look round, and it's going to give it a shape. Unless we want a flat ghost, I guess, but. And then I think it's fun to add a little pop of color in here, so I just did a little bit of true blue mixed with some black to get kind of a grayish blue color. And then go back in and kind of darken the edges, soften the lines on the bottom. Getting a little more black so that I can darken the edges. One thing I like to do on these ghosts is to make one side darker than the other, just so that it looks like the light is hitting it more on one side. I think it helps the ghost pop, and I think it helps give it more of that rounded 3D shape. Like I said before, take care to keep the face white. And then here goes the eyes. I just make like a sloppy kind of random oval. I think they're more fun when they aren't exactly uniform. And then I rinse my brush and go through and smudge them around a little bit. And then I switch to a bigger brush. I think this is around 8. And then I go into the black and I am just outlining the ghost. This is the background. So I think it's easier to do the black first right up against the ghost, and then I rinse my brush and just soften it up. Just loose. Free. I like to leave a couple little white spots in the background, and this is probably my favorite part of doing these ghosts. Just to watch the watercolor move, I think is so cool. So just work in sections, do your black outline right against the ghost, and then rinse your brush, grab some more water, and move the color around a bit. Just smudging the pigment around, spreading it a little bit more. And there you have it. Quick, easy, fun, spooky little ghost. Hope you guys enjoy it. Tag me in your posts if you decide to paint one too, and I look forward to it. See you guys next time. Later!